This video will be a quick unboxing of the Mucar v07. And here's a box, comes really nicely packaged. Nice advertisement on the back. Product parameters. We get a nice soft shell case that's molded. Up top we get an owner's manual that has several different languages. We get the unit itself. We get the VCI, the Vehicle Communication Interface. And this does have a light, so you know when it connects. And if you guys want to check out the full review, I have a review and a quick review of the Mucar v07. I'll leave a link for you guys in the video description. We get 3 different power adapter tips and a power brick, a USB-C cable, and we have the unit. This is a 7-inch display with a 6,000 milliamp battery, and it has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth built in. Please check out the end screens here, and I'll leave you guys a direct product link here for the Mucar v06. Thanks for watching, and make it a great day.